With its breakthrough advances in space technology, SpaceX has held the attention of the globe since 2002. They constantly focus on innovation, illustrated by the development of their rocket engines, which is at the heart of their groundbreaking successes. While SpaceX has already experienced extraordinary success with engines like Merlin and Kestrel, the development of the Raptor engine has drawn special attention since it offers the possibility of reaching other planets. What exactly are Raptor motors? What verdict did he ultimately reach regarding the SpaceX Raptor engine? Elon Musk and his colleagues created an engine that pushes the envelope using their genius. Focusing on the Raptor engines has been essential for SpaceX's voyage to Mars. The Raptor engine has replaced SpaceX's former Merlin, Kestrel, Draco, and Super Draco engine families. The Raptor was specifically developed for long space missions, including those to Mars and beyond. The creation of the Raptor engine began in 2011, and since then, it has seen tremendous innovation and advancement. The Raptor is a full flow station combustion engine that simultaneously burns fuel and oxidizer. The Raptor offers higher performance and thrust than previous engines to boost its reliability and capabilities compared to the typical rocket propellant combination of RP-1, a highly refined form of kerosene and LOX, which uses a blend of liquid methane and liquid oxygen. Numerous successful static fire tests and multiple iterations have been accomplished. The Starship spacecraft, which intends to transport passengers and cargo to Mars and may aid future colonization attempts, is one of SpaceX's ambitious projects, and creating the Raptor is a necessary first step. It's incredible to learn that those Falcons inspired the names of SpaceX engines. The booster engine's original moniker, the 60K engine, was later replaced with a more identifiable and memorable one. Elon Musk supported the idea of giving the Falcon's engines names, which was put forth by a team member who was a Falconer. As a result, the Kestrel moniker was given to the smaller second-stage engine. While Kerf, Falcon, and Peregrine were given to the larger engines, Peregrine was conserved for use in the future development of rocket engines. The medium-sized engine was Merlin, and the larger engines were the Peregrine and Kerf Falcon. As it turns out, the SpaceX Raptor engines represent a crucial turning point in SpaceX's development of audacious missions like the colonization of Mars, and demonstrate the company's commitment to pushing the limits of space exploration. In 2016, the SpaceX teams concentrated on the Raptor engine development project, which would advance rocket engine technology. Due to its smaller and medium-sized engines, Falcon was picked as a nod to the iconic Millennium Falcon from Star Wars during the SpaceX engine naming process. The smaller engines were named Kestrel and Merlin, but the larger ones were named Peregrine and Kerf Falcon. As time passed in space, the search for a fitting name was restarted, and SpaceX concentrated on an alternative staged combustion engine to the Merlin. This phrase embraced a variety of birds of prey such as owls, hawks, falcons, and eagles to clear up any ambiguities. Weller, a crucial contributor to the engine's development, considered names including Eagle before choosing Raptor. It's crucial to note that the name was not chosen with dinosaurs in mind. The large Falcon Raptor engines are now officially recognized as rocket engines. However, the transition from Merlin to Raptor wasn't smooth. In 2009, Max Vazov of SpaceX unveiled the Raptor engine idea, with the original emphasis on using liquid hydrogen and nitrogen as propellants. The idea presented right here evolved into a methane-based design in keeping with SpaceX's plans to colonize Mars, after the company eventually shifted the focus of its propulsion division to the development of methane-fueled rocket engines. The testing of the Raptor engine's parts, including injectors and a full-scale oxygen preburner, started in 2014. This marked a significant advancement in the engine's development over time. At SpaceX's factory in Hawthorne, California, the first integrated Raptor engine was created by August of the following year. SpaceX conducted testing for California's development. The first full-scale stage combustion methane engine to successfully stand a test was this groundbreaking unit, which had a thrust of 1 meganewton or 220,000 pounds of force. The SpaceX Raptor engines are evidence of the organization's dedication to advancing space exploration capabilities. SpaceX's development highlights the company's commitment to innovation as they aim to make Mars colonization and interplanetary travel a reality. As they use Raptor engines to reach for the stars and beyond, SpaceX never ceases to astound and excite interest. In a controlled burn test in 2020, the Raptor engine, built to run at high chamber pressures, was expected to achieve an astounding 300 bars. When an unidentified Raptor engine momentarily attained a primary combustion chamber pressure of 4,800 psi and stayed intact after shutdown, SpaceX broke the record for rocket engines. The Soviet Union's RD-701 engine, which produced pressures of 290 to 300 bar, set the previous record for this in the 1980s, but this broke it. Even though chamber pressure is crucial, SpaceX also considered other equally crucial factors, such as engine reusability, burn duration constraints, and durability, particularly in the context of their spaceship project. Elon Musk highlighted that if SpaceX weren't certain of the Raptor's overall performance, they wouldn't attempt to reach the maximum chamber pressure with SN-15. During a high-altitude launch in 2021, the Raptor engine made its premiere. However, Elon Musk expressed concerns about the Raptor engine's production by the year's end, speculating that SpaceX might fail. Work done on the Raptor 2 engine, which was several development sensors, marked the beginning of a significant shift from the Raptor 1 architecture. Raptor 2 had a more streamlined appearance, and the booster's mass was reduced by around 6 tons by removing all the engine shrouding. Valves and flanges were removed to simplify the engine's plumbing and reduce the mass. According to SpaceX, this design approach was in keeping with Musk's philosophy that functionality should be streamlined and extraneous parts should be kept to a minimum. One observable change in Raptor 2 is the elimination of torch igniters from the primary combustion chamber. The hydrangea-golic ally, which combined hot oxygen gas with hot CH4 gas at high pressure and temperature, eliminated the need for extra igniters. Due to removing extra components, Raptor 2.5 also has 250 tons of force and fewer flanges. Adding more elements, the result of SpaceX's efforts was the eagerly awaited first orbital flight of Starship Raptors on April 20 this year. However, 3 Raptor 2 engines had already failed before the heavy rocket took off. Several engine failures, a loss of altitude, and a malfunction of the flight determination system, which had been triggered to assure safety, caused the mission to cease before it had even taken off. Elon Musk debuted RAP-3 less than a month after this historic flight. The engine exceeded expectations after extensive testing, producing a shocking thrust force of around 269 tons and operating at 350 bars of chamber pressure for 45 seconds. In terms of the large chamber, this was superior to well-known rocket engines, such as the RS-25 and RD-180. The astounding boost in performance of the Raptor 3 engine, which exceeded its predecessor, the Raptor 2, by an incredible 18, underscores SpaceX's tireless pursuit of innovation and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of spaceflight. With a chamber pressure of 350 bars, the Raptor 3 engine outperformed all existing potent rocket engines. Elon Musk, renowned for his forward-thinking approach to technology and space exploration, has created a brilliant modification to SpaceX's Raptor engine. Musk has recognized potential areas for enhancement and made improvements to improve the engine's effectiveness and performance with his great insight and creative thinking. One major change is optimizing the engine's architecture to increase its dependability and durability by removing extraneous parts and streamlining its construction. The flame and heat resistance of plumbing Musk has increased. This modification supports SpaceX's objective of eliminating all engines from the booster's vicinity, decreasing its bulk and increasing overall effectiveness. The removal of torch igniters from the primary combustion chamber is another key change made by Musk. The Raptor's engine now relies on the hypergolic reaction between hot oxygen gas and hot CH4 gas, which ignites spontaneously under high temperatures and pressure. This change improves the engine's performance by streamlining the ignition process. Musk's brilliant adjustment also minimizes flanges and integrates valve plates by reducing bulk and pressure losses throughout the engine. This optimization enhances the overall effectiveness and dependability of the Raptor engine. Musk's modification concentrates on boosting thrust by eliminating some components and further perfecting the design. In the impending Raptor 2.5 version, the thrust of the Raptor engine has been raised to a remarkable 250 tons. This improvement makes the engine more effective and powerful regarding spacecraft propulsion. The development of SpaceX's Raptor engine, from the first phases of development to the integration of the engine, demonstrates the company's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Elon Musk's brilliant modification of the SpaceX Raptor engine illustrates his extraordinary problem-solving abilities and commitment to expanding the frontiers of space travel by enhancing the engine's design and durability. Rocket technology has advanced significantly thanks to the simplification of ignition procedures and increased thrust. As SpaceX develops and improves the Raptor engine, it will pave the way for more effective and potent space missions, opening up a world of possibilities for space exploration. Elon Musk and SpaceX are leading the charge in this pioneering spirit that propels humanity's search for discovery and growth, and this mentality will carry us to Mars and beyond. What thoughts do you have about this? Comment below with your thoughts on this, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please enable the notification bell while you're there to ensure you receive all of our upcoming uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video.